Good evening, and welcome to this short video that we'll be doing. Though most times I believe I always say that most times. So we are going to be talking about how you can earn a living online even without having basic understanding of what online business is. Online business just means a scenario whereby you can deliver some businesses, run some skills online. You have a marketing background, you know how to write very well. Those are the kind of things you look out for. I'll be mentioning some skills that I believe you can have a basic understanding of them in the next 60 days and you'll be able to make a living with them. So, without further ado, number one out of the skill is writing. Writing is one skill that it's never out of demand. It's always in demand. Always in demand. We want to run it. We either want to write a content, want to write um, a a blog post, copywriting, a sales page, public release. Think of everything, even from the newspaper to various things. But one other thing I always tell people is when it comes to writing, virtually everybody has it. You just need to teach yourself to be much more professional. The writing could be reports, presentation, blogs, web content, among other things. And this is a skill that is very important and very useful because as much as you're going to be keep having new website, new blog, definitely we'll be needing more writers, and more writers. Without further ado, moving on to the next one is building website. And that's another skill whereby if you Google how to build websites in Monday, how to build website in 5 hours. And when enter YouTube, you're going to get so much tutorial that will give you a head start on how to go about it. And these are things to look out for when you're getting started with it. When it comes to website, you'll be like, wow, website. But you can have a basic understanding of it. Okay, what do I need to get started? I need a domain, I need a hosting that enables me to install a WordPress, which is one of the most popular used CMS, content marketing setup that can be done for either you or any other person. You can even play around with Shopify, whereby you can register for their services, do so much backend, just run some free stuff at the backend. And the more you keep practicing with it, the more you keep getting better. You get started with Shopify, which has a free option, or you could go ahead and say, okay, let me take it a bit further. You buy an hosting, get a domain, you watch some YouTube videos, you do some, keep practicing, because most of these things, the more you practice, the more you understand it. No matter how much you think you know, you don't really know much until you have really done enough practice, put it into practice, because you keep reading and reading about it. But when it comes to the core implementation, that's when you know how much you've learned or how much you want to learn. So next is search engine optimization, which stands for basically making your site to rank higher in Google. Whereby, let me give an instance now. I'm searching for online shoes in Lagos, and I want my site to rank for that. What are the things I need to put in place? What are the things I need to do to push my site up? From beauty backlinks to running a YouTube SEO, to running on page SEO, page SEO, and the various options that could be out there. Even part of some things you can even use to push up your SEO, writing still comes into play, because you need to be able to write for people, you need to be able to make people want to come to your blog. You need to write your content in a way whereby people will know that you have much more information than the other website. It's not just about just churning out write-ups, but write-ups that make enough sense for you to understand, for your prospective clients to understand and the like. So it makes it way, way easier. So that's the basics of your SEO. It's a means whereby you are able to rank your site higher on Google from your various websites. SEO is implemented in websites, even on YouTube, making your video come out higher compared to your other one. So it helps in your various ways. So another one is social media marketing, using social media to market your goods and services, your businesses, and even helping other people to manage their social media platforms. When I mean manage, it's not if a business is in existence, you definitely need a social media manager. A manager is somebody takes that is in charge of understanding when to post, how to post, to help a brand get out there. It makes it easy for the business aspect of the company or the brand to focus on strategies to bring in more sales. Part of your own work will be how to make sure that all their social media platforms, either LinkedIn, either Twitter, either YouTube, Facebook, name it, how they can use all those social media platforms to push their brand, to get their brands out there, to bring in more sales using their platform. Those platforms are there for the purpose of marketing. Those platforms are there for the purpose of improving, moving a brand from point A to point B, increasing a brand awareness from level 0 to level 2 or level 20. Depends. So if you have these skills of, oh, okay, on Facebook, this brand is into shoes, what kind of content will I be pushing out there? What time of the day will I be pushing out the content depending on the audience that are already on the site? Or how do we bring in audience for the page or for the platform or for the profile that are really interested in the brand? Those are part of what you'll be doing as a social media manager. Those are part of what you'll be doing as a social media marketer as well. So with that, it will help you to push your own ability forward. No matter, like I said initially, you can keep reading and reading. There are so many platforms you can start with to learn all this. HubSpot is one, HubSpot Academy. We have quite various other platforms. Facebook has their own academy, Twitter has their own academy, Google has their own academy. So you get basics, you understand how all these things work from there, and you make sure that you implement. You can start with your own personal profile to see how much you've understood whatever you've learned from whichever platform you decide to start learning from. With that, you'll be able to know, okay, this is what I want to do, this is how I want to go about it. It makes it much more easier for you than just keep complaining, what do I do, which instead of sitting down, I do. Those are skills that people, businesses, organizations are looking out for. So many organizations are having social media platforms that are sitting idle. They don't know the potential. That's where your work comes into play. You let them see the potential in what they already have, how they can use it to even expand their brand. Facebook keeps improving on their algorithm. Same with Google, same with Twitter. Most of all these platforms knows the power of this platform. Then you as a person should understand, you should key into the power of all these platforms so you can get something doing. You can get yourself moving and not just being idle. You may have like a long span of time now, and the next couple of years you want to have the kind of opportunity or kind of time you think you have. You know, then if you have the time now, use it to gather all these skills, all these understanding. So it helps you to get much more easy. your phone, your laptop, whatever gadgets you have should be a source of revenue, no matter how small. If you are making $5 today, definitely you will be able to make some other dollars, $10, $100, 500, even $1,000, and you'll be well comfortable. Writing, building website, ranking sites, ranking website, managing social media accounts, running social media marketing for people. It helps you to push your brand, your it even improves on your resume. I've been able to work with this number of brands. I've been able to help them to increase their sales from, even if it's just increasing their sales from 0 to 1. That's an achievement to you. You feel much more worthwhile with yourself. So with that, we move on to the next one, video editing. Video editing is just a sub niche of graphics. That's why you see so many apps, Android app, iOS app, how to editing videos and the likes. You could get started with that as well. There are those that professionally they'll pay some couple of bucks to get started. You could visit Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, SEO Clerks. Those are platforms you can get started with. If you are not getting a hold of it, get a mentor, either paid or free. Buy courses. Look for courses, either free or paid. Read into them, key into them, learn from those stuff you have. Don't just sit idle and be like, okay, I really want to do something, and you're not moving. You look for a way to learn a course, you look for a way to learn something from a point A to point B. It makes it very easy for you to get a whole understanding of it. Photo editing, you can get started with canvas.com. You enter Udemy, udemy.com, Coursera. There are so many platforms like that you could learn all these basic things. Some courses they are paid, some are free. I don't see a reason why you can't learn this. And before you know it, you're already putting on something for yourself. It makes it really easy for you. And it's so much of social media marketing that is the like a very big buzz now. It's Facebook ad, which I happen to be an expertise in YouTube. I want to use Facebook ad to drive traffic, quality traffic, not just anyhow traffic. When we need quality traffic, what does the business want? Leads. Are you able to use Facebook ads to drive leads to them? What does the business want? Sales. Are you able to use Facebook ads to drive sales to them? What does an event manager want? He wants to sell out his ticket. Are you able to sell out his ticket for them? Those are ways you can use your accessories, your phone. Enter YouTube, enter Google. How do I do this? Enter Udemy, enter Coursera, or even look for those that are selling courses. Like me, I have a course on Facebook ad. You get, you learn, you practice, you implement. That's how to get skills then. When you learn, buying all these courses, watching the videos, taking, you learn over a period of time. Between, like I said when I started the video, all these courses, all these options I listed, from writing to SEO to social media marketing, photo editing, Facebook ads. These are courses that under 60 days you can have a basic understanding of them. The reason why I'm saying basic is because you need the basics understanding to get started. When you have started with them, you now need an in-depth analysis and in-depth understanding of every of them to optimize your own knowledge, to get your knowledge from beginner level to intermediate, from intermediate to top notch. Those are the ways. You can't just sit down and feel as if you need to learn everything at once. That's the reason why when you go to when you are in a university or you are in a college or a secondary school, you learn from a step. You are tested, which is the exams, before you move on to the next step. But in life, the only way you know maybe you've really improved is by implementation. If an elder or if somebody, a mentor, a guide, advise you, it's until when you implement you now realize, okay, did I really listen to this advice? This advice really worth it? Before you now think of, okay, let me now move on. So I hope you have been able to get one or two things from this. And you can connect with me on Instagram. My handle is Sheson_me. My Facebook, I have a Facebook page. Just search for Yusuf Onabekun. Either on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or LinkedIn. Just type Yusuf Onabekun on any of those platforms, and you will definitely be able to connect with me. And I hope with this short video you'll be able to learn one or two things to get your thoughts of this chair and let's get started. Thank you and have a lovely day.